This is it. 29 lights around the back, adding to what's already here, and putting lights in the grass to shine up on the wall, highlight the olive tree. So this is step one, getting it dug up and ready to go. We're out here in Palm Springs today. We're in the area of town by the movie colony. So we're doing a project where they're having a party in this backyard. And so we need to get 29 lights installed out here today. Whoa, it's a lot. We're pushing ourselves. Let's see if we can do it, and we'll show you the steps as we go through the process. But man, it's a little warm today, and it's a lot of lights, and we have a deadline. So whew, I'm ready. Here we go. So we're making some good progress. We got about 20 lights in so far, and we're getting close. So check this out. Chris is over there working on that olive tree. We got all these lights put in along this hedge. We did lights along the wall back there, and then some path lights back here. So it looks beautiful. It's really coming together. Well, we got it done. 29 lights today, all done in the heat in March, and it is a wrap. We're done in Palm Springs. It's time to go home, and this house is ready for the party this weekend. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.